Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed that super fun video about the tricky E. So what we're going to do is we're going to practice a few more times with that tricky E before you guys do your activity on the next page. Let's get started. So here we see the word, let's tap it. Add, mad. That's right, that's the word mad because our A makes the ah sound. So what we're going to do is let's add that sneaky E onto the end and see what it makes. So now our ah becomes, what's the other sound an A makes? That's right, it says A. So now let's tap the word aid, made. So when we added our sneaky E, mad, it turned to made. Let's try our next one. Ready? Let's tap it together. B. It, bit. That's right, that's the word bit. Let's add our sneaky E on. Ready? Oh, we decided to do pink this time. So now our I turns to, what's that other sound I makes? Oh, that's right, it says I. Ready? B, I, t, bite. So when we added that E, we went from B, it to B, ite. Good job. Let's try our last one. Let's tap it. At, hat. That's right. It is the word hat. Now, let's take that ah. Let's add our sneaky E. And that ah becomes, what's the other sound? Oh, that's right. It says A. Ready? Ate, hate. That's right. We went from hat to hate. So we made mad into made, we made bit into bite, and we made hat into hate. Now for your next video, guys, your next activity, you guys are going to be working on a game where you're going to try and match those sneaky E's. Can't wait to see how awesome you do.